Hi and welcome to the video. In today's video we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to create channel tags. We're going to be looking at the Tubebuddy plugin that you can use to create your channel tags and how to embed them within your YouTube channel. Remember, if you get something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. This helps recommend this video to other like-minded individuals like yourself who's trying to build their YouTube channel. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, also hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted when I make another video and upload that for you. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. For those who don't know what channel tags are keywords that tell YouTube what your YouTube channel is all about. It helps identify who you are and what your content is about within your channel. Today, the tool we're going to be using to create our channel tags is Tubebuddy. If you've never heard of Tubebuddy before, I highly recommend this tool for any YouTuber out there. There is an affiliate link in the description section, so if you want to click that link, and if you do buy the product, I do get a little bit of a kickback from them. There's lots of different ways to get found on YouTube, but you need to implement certain strategies in order to tell YouTube what your channel's about so you can be found a little bit more easier. A couple of different ways to get found on YouTube would be to write a really good channel description, including some keywords and phrases, building videos around a certain niche, and also including channel tags within your YouTube channel so you can tell YouTube what your channel is all about. The Tubebuddy tool that we're going to be using today is the Keyword Explorer. The channel we're going to be working on today is the VA Coach channel. I'm going to be using the Tubebuddy plugin to work out what channel tags that I should be using for this channel. The VA Coach is a business that upskills people to work from home and shares knowledge on the subject of being a virtual assistant. So inside the Tubebuddy Keyword Explorer, I've just typed in the VA Coach, and down at the bottom on the right hand side we've got a list of tags that could be a possible use for this channel. We've got virtual assistant coach, virtual assistant training, trainer, business, outsourcing, become a virtual assistant, how to become a virtual assistant. All of these are really relevant to the content which is going to be provided on this channel. So just use the keyword research tool within Tubebuddy to copy about 20 different keywords and phrases onto my clipboard, and now we're going to paste those into the back end of YouTube Studio. So we're here in the back end of YouTube Studio for the VA Coach, and to add these channel tags we're going to go down to settings at the bottom left hand corner. We'll click on channel, and here where it says keywords we can simply just paste these into there, and those channel tags are now pasted in there. We can press save. So by adding those channel tags to our YouTube channel, that's just enabled YouTube to see what kind of content we are going to be making on this channel. This helps the algorithm show your channel to the relevant people within search. If you want to check out the Tubebuddy tool, I will leave a link in the description. As I've said before, it is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a kickback and it helps to support my channel. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give it a like. That helps to distribute this video to other like-minded individuals. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications to be alerted when I make another video, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video. Stay classy.